Hey everyone, this is Erik with ErikBurton.com. You can imagine the evergreen product of JobOpp.Info and all of the leads and or sales that I have coming in because of this actual opportunity. Okay, so you want to make sure that you click on the link in the description below. And it's only a matter of time when you start seeing these coming into your email box of $100 commissions. Welcome to this short little video on JobOpp.Info, the opportunity that I feel is going to last for quite a few years. As you can see, this is my advertising campaign back office. They give you this once you sign up and get into the program. This is a digital asset for life. That means that it's an evergreen product. This company's been running since 1997. They've been doing the same thing over and over for several decades now. We're into the third decade. And they pay by either check through the mail or they can pay through PayPal. And this was my welcome announcement. This was also my JobOpp actual affiliate links. This is the actual link where they acquire an email for you. Okay, it's an opt-in or lead page. Okay, and this is actually the sales page. So those two things there are very important and very crucial, because if you are giving people your lead capture page, they give you an email. And what this company does is actually they have everything set up in what they call a CRM, or a performance enhancing tool that sends out automatic email messages promoting your actual sales link. And normally it's this sales link, okay, where the cursor is pointing there. That's actually the sales page. So what you get is a schedule, run dates, and ad copy stats and your tracking, which I'll show you here in a moment. The lead capture page, which is this actual page right here, and the lead magnet free bonus, obviously, which is leads right here. Okay, they actually give you some leads that you can go to your private email and email one at a time about the opportunity as well. Okay, you get free bonus banner ads, your JobOpp affiliate links, obviously, that's all set up, and you're billing what to expect. Okay, this is a turnkey opportunity. That means that all you have to do is send traffic to your opt-in pages, and that's it. This company does the rest. They've been doing this since 1997, okay? So this is JobOpp.com, but we're actually JobOpp.Info, and that's what happens when people come into my list and into my realm and team. I actually brand an actual domain, and a brand for a decade even, because that's what you want to do to accomplish it. And all we have to do with my URL rotator, which you've probably seen me show you in the past. If not, I definitely have videos on that. I also have a Facebook group, a private one, that actually has the video inside there talking about the URL rotator. And this actually takes everybody's sales page that I enter into that specific link, to where when we're promoting JobOpp.Info all the time, it's going into the team URL rotator. Okay, so your JobOpp ad campaign, they give you a 250,000 either click and or email messaging campaign. Okay, your ad copy, and they show you my ad copy here, which is really interesting. I'll click on the first one here, and you'll be able to see that a little bit, where this is the actual kind of like a poster, and also this is what they put inside the email as well. And it shows them, hey, you can get access, and they're always helping you to promote your link to get sales. Okay, and if I were to click on this link, it would go to my actual sales page, which I'll click right there, and right here is my sales page. Okay, and so it's unbelievable, this opportunity that we have right in front of us. And this is what you get in your back office is this ad copy. We've got 4 sets of them. I did not do anything, ladies and gentlemen. This company did everything for you. This is a turnkey business. All you do is send traffic to your specific link, while I am sending traffic to the team link, which is JobOpp.Info. Okay, because I don't care. I want you to be as successful as I am in getting daily commissions. Okay, they do text ad copy below where they send out the emails consistently. Remember, the CRM, which is a form or a tool that sends out all of these things to people that have opted in to your links, okay, and to your opportunity. And whenever they're advertising it, that's what you're going to get. When somebody puts their email into your actual lead capture page, they're going to be sending out stuff. So that's what I said before. This is a turnkey business, okay? They've also got stats, okay? You can check on the stats of their advertising for you, because once you enter into this, they give you a one-time $250,000 or 250,000 email campaign. They send it to 250,000 emails over the course of a couple of weeks. They don't do it all at once, and they send several different ad copies in there. So I'm so excited about this because all I have to do is point and click traffic, directing them to our JobOpp.Info. Okay, and it does the work for us. I mean, all of the sales funnels that we have set up, it does everything for us. This company also does it on their end as well. You can get any kind of traffic to this. I get traffic from YouTube. I get traffic from Facebook. I get traffic from solo ads. I get traffic from this company's advertising as well. Okay, so the lead capture from the JobOpp lead capture page, we will follow the JobOpp capture page leads relentlessly, directing them to your JobOpp sales page, okay, where they can be credited for all sales. Now, it's a lead gathered from the JobOpp lead capture pages, which they are implementing as we speak. And then we have the lead magnet free bonus of, actually, when you click on this, you get, I believe it's 30 fresh leads. Yes, it says 30 real-time fresh leads that have never been fed to anyone. You get their phone number, you get their email, you can connect with them and kind of talk with them and let them know what opportunity you have. Sometimes people like that a lot. And I'll tell you too, with the 10X Tools program that I am actually going to be start teaching and training people every week to do, you can actually acquire specific direct targeted leads off of Facebook. You will be busy all the time with promoting something like JobOpp.Info because everything's already done for you. That's the wonderful part about this, okay? And they always have a warning and caution: never sell or rent these specific leads that they're giving you, the 30 leads as a free bonus. You want to use those as your own personal contact points as an extra bonus so that you don't oversaturate or send a lot of things to them. You just want to be maybe once or twice a week with those 30 extra leads. And then obviously they do banner campaign ads. Okay, they send out a 5K impression banner campaign ad, and this is to various websites and so forth. Whenever they click on it, it goes to your sales page or your lead capture page, which acquires an email address, and they start emailing those leads. Okay, and they also give the affiliate links right here for your lead capture, your sales page, and they also offer bonus traffic. So say, for instance, that you want to send 1 million emails in a month, and they do this over a 2-week period where they send 100,000 out, and then they send another 100,000 out with different ad copies and different sales copies, and that's $199. So say, for instance, you spend $199 a month in your advertising, and you got 5 checks back for $100 per check. Now you've got 5 people specifically under you that are in your sales team, and when you help them make a sale, you make a $50 affiliate commission, even though they made a $100 sale. So it's very straightforward. It's very legitimate. And it's something that I just really want to bring to the forefront, because it's very important to understand that I know a lot of you out there have jobs, you have other things that you're doing, but if you have something like this on autopilot, along with me with JobOpp.Info and the branding, this is going to last 5, 10, possibly 15 years or more, because it's an evergreen product. Okay, so click on the link in the description below. Go and at least opt in with your email. Take a look at what my mentor, Frank Calabro Jr., talks about, and how you can develop this and use our funnel system and this company's done-for-you funnel system to bring in sales, specifically leads and sales, consistently every day, every week, and every month. So click on the link in the description below. My name is Erik Burton with ericburton.com. Have a great day, guys and gals.